Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the Minisopuru 9-in-1 USB-C hub. So this hub, guys, having a lot of ports, and together we'll open this box and we will see what's coming inside. So stay tuned, let's get started. Okay, first of all, so we have here the Type-C hub itself with braided Type-C cable. It's attached to the hub, and also we have here the wire or the power cable, and here we have the 72 watts AC/D adapter for the hub itself, and also we have some manual instruction. So as you can see here, guys, we have 3 USB-C which support up to 10 GB per second, and we have here 4 Type-A which support 5 GB per second, and we have 2 Type-C for charging here which support 45 watts and 24 watts. So basically, guys, the USB-C hub, this from Minisopuru, the build quality is outstanding. I see it's made of aluminium, and it really feels so premium, and it's not that much heavy. It's very lightweight, so if you want to take it out with you, it's the best USB-C hub, ideal for you to take it on go. Plus also I like that it doesn't leave any fingerprint, so it's amazing. And this on and off button, it will help you to just disconnect or switch off all the devices one time. And for sure I like also the LED display here, which it will show the charging speed or the transferring data speed. That's amazing, guys. I see it, it's really nice. And this braided cable, it feels also so good, and I think it has like 1 meter, yeah, it's almost 1 meter cable, which is comes with very premium quality as well. And here the USB-C also made of metal. So in general, the material here is amazing. I like it. The ports are so much, like 9 ports. From the top side here there is nothing, and we have here the port for the DC, which support up to 72 watts. So let's try it and we'll see how fast it takes to transfer data from the Type-A or Type-C, and how fast also the charging speed from this power delivery ports. So let's try. So here, guys, I have this Windows laptop or Windows tablet. As you can see, it's 2-in-1, and it has here only one port, which is Type-C, where I can use only one port one time, even for charging or transferring data. I don't have any other ports from other side. So the only thing in this case, I need to use hub or docking station in order to connect more devices to this laptop. So in this case, I have here the Minisopuru USB-C hub. So the first thing I need to do to connect it to the power adapter here, which is 72 watts, and with this Type-C cable, for sure I need to open this and connect it here on the Type-C port. And that's must. You must, guys, to power on this USB hub. So as you can see here, I have all the LED. Plus also, if I will connect this flash memory This is the only time it will be connected to the laptop, as you can see here, and it has the capability to transfer 5 gigabytes per second, so it's very fast. We will try it now physically. I have some files on this flash memory. I will just try to transfer it to the laptop. I will just take this file. I think it's like 300 megabytes. So I will just copy it and I will transfer it, let's say, to this folder partition. I will just paste it here. So as you can see, guys, it's very fast. It goes up to 20 megabytes per second. That's a very fast speed, guys. Like, I just got this file from another laptop. The speed was 2 megabytes per second. So you have here 22 megabytes per second. That's super fast. You will transfer the big files in just seconds. Plus also for this 2 ports, which is power delivery, you can charge your phone up to 45 watts. Let's say I have here this phone. In the same time I'm connecting this USB to the laptop, I can connect my phone to get it charged from this Minisopuru USB C hub, and my phone supports fast charging. So once I will just connect the cable here, as you can see, guys, so it will say super charging. As you can see, it's really very fast, guys, with this 45 support up to 45 watts and 20 let's say 25, right, 24 watts, 24 and 45. So for the first one up to 45 watts and the second one 24 watts. But the thing here, guys, as it's mentioned in the manual user here, so first of all, this ports doesn't support monitor connector. You cannot connect the monitor from this USB. Plus also, these 2 USB-C power delivery charging ports on the bottom, maximum output 45 watts. So these 2 in one time, it support 45 watts. So if you connect one device, it support up to 45. But if it's 2 devices, total will be 45. Means for each port support 24 watts in case if you connect 2 devices same time. But if only one device, it support up to 45 watts. So guys, I feel that's amazing. Even this screen also will show here the speed. As you can see, the number here is increasing. Like it's charging right now 5 watts, 6 watts, 7 watts. So it will measure the charging speed. And now, guys, I'm gonna try the speed of transferring data from the Type-C, which it supports up to 10 gigabytes per second. So I will just use my phone to connect it to the USB-C hub here and check the speed of transferring the files. So I just one press here, it will be connected. And by the way, it will also charge the phone, but not that much fast. So I just need to give permission on my phone to transfer files. And now I will open my phone here. Let's move this file. I will just replace it, and as you can see, guys, the Type-C port here, it supports up to 10 gigabytes per second, so it's very fast transferring the file, as you can see. So that's amazing, guys. Even you can connect more than ports in the same time. So if you have limited port in your device, you have here so many options to connect up to 3 USB-C and 4 USB-A. And as I mentioned before, the USB-C it supports up to 10 gigabytes per second, and the USB-A it supports up to 5 gigabits per second. Plus also you have two power delivery ports where you can charge your phones or tablet or laptop up to 45 watts, and I already showed you before. And I can also try it one more time, which is very fast charging, guys. It's amazing. So this port has so many This USB hub has so many ports, which is very useful, and also you can take it with you anywhere very easy. It's very small, you can handle it very easy and very lightweight with very good material, which is aluminum. So I really like it, and I feel it's so useful, and it will help me a lot to connect more than devices at the same time with the amazing LED display here, which it will show all the like transferring data speed and charging speed as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you like it, just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And if you have any question, just write your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. Plus, also I will leave the link for the Minisopuru USB C Hub in the description to know more about it, and you can also purchase it directly. So thanks for watching, guys. Until I see you next time.